What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. This video, I want to show you something that if you get it, it'll help with another piece. I know that sounds crazy. So I want to show you how to multiply or find a product of a sum and a difference. So what you have actually is you have two binomials. One is a sum and one is a difference. And we're going to multiply those. Okay? So basically, if you have, actually before I write that example up here, let's take a step back. I'm getting ahead of myself. So if I have A plus B times A minus B, then that actually ends up being A squared minus B squared. Okay? So let's see why. So example 1, we'll start out simple as always. If I have x minus 3, or let's say x plus 3 times x minus 3, and it doesn't matter, I can put the minus first. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so it doesn't matter. I can change this to x minus 3 times x plus 3. Well, basically, in this case, a is x, b is 3. But let's multiply it out. So I'll have x times x, which gives me x squared, outside plus x times negative 3, inside plus 3 times x, and last plus 3 times negative 3. Alright, so that gives me x squared minus 3x plus 3x minus 9. Notice these two middle terms are opposites. So they're going to cancel out. Negative 3x plus 3x equals 0. And I'm left with just x squared minus 9. So why go through that long process when I can simply go back? Notice I have a plus b. So a in this case is x. B is 3. Well, a squared, x squared, 3 to the second power is 9. So I can just cut the chase and use that formula. Okay? So the next example, I'm not going to go through all of that FOIL method or double distribution. I'm going to go straight to a plus b. I'm sorry, to a and b. So example 2, I have 10 plus y times 10 minus y. And actually, let's make it interesting. Let's do 10 minus y times 10 plus y. Well, a is 10 and b is y. A squared minus b squared. So 10 squared minus y squared. 10 squared is 100 minus y squared. Yes, it is that simple. See how quick I did that? Okay? Because every time if you do the FOIL method or the double distribution, because this minus sign and that plus sign, it's going to cancel out the two middle terms. Okay, so that's why you can apply this formula. Example 3, 4x plus 7y. And then naturally 4x minus 7y. Okay, in this case, a is 4x and b is 7y. Well, 4x to the second power minus 7y to the second power. 4 squared is 16. Keep my x squared. Minus 7 to the second power is 49. Keep my y squared. And that is it. It's that simple. Alright? Let's do one last example. And we will wrap it up. Alright? And this series of videos is important. It's very helpful for any teacher teaching polynomials or any student studying polynomials and factoring. This is the first part of factoring. Some teachers, they teach it in different orders nowadays, but nevertheless, they go hand in hand. Okay? Let's put a line through my z. All right, 3w cubed plus z squared. Okay? A in this case is 3w to the third power. B is z squared. Same process. 3w to the third power squared minus z squared squared. 3 to the second power is 9. W to the third taken to the second power is w to the sixth. Remember, if you have a power taken to a power, you have to multiply those powers. Go see my video on the rules of exponents. All right, and I have individual videos showing how to do each one. So z squared to the second power is actually z to the fourth power, and that is your answer. If you look at this video and you need some help brushing up on your rules of exponents, check out the video on the rules of exponents that I've done. I've broken down the rules, and then I've taken each rule and made a video to show you how to apply each rule. And I even have a video on there combining some of the rules together. Remember, do me a favor, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share this with anybody, a teacher, a student, whoever. Somebody around the world needs this. Thank you in advance. YouTube, I just said that. Instagram, Young Gurus _ Math Tutoring, and on Facebook, Young Gurus Math Tutoring. Remember, I've got the solution to your math problems. You don't have to sit in class and wonder, what in the world is going on? You don't have to be confused. Ask the question or come to YouTube. You got a special request, let me know. I'm out. I got the solution to your math problems.